Materials used in the core of a solenoid. The aim of this experiment is to investigate the effect of different materials used in the core of a solenoid. We expect that a strong magnetic field will be induced in a solenoid if the substance in the core is a good conductor of electricity.
Another factor that affects the strength of this induced magnetism or electromagnetism is the actual core, because the actual electromagnet is this, but what's inside determines how strong the electromagnet will be. So we'll look at various cores, keeping the current the same and the number of turns the same. We'll just look at various cores and look at the induced electromagnetism that they give us, starting with the one that we have been using, and that is iron. And if we switch the current on, the induced magnetic field of the iron is about 0.473. Now we change that and replace it with brass and see what the magnetic field strength here will be. Okay, here we go. Brass gives us a magnetic field strength of about 0.27 or 267, so which is slightly less than the iron. If we remove the brass, replace it with steel, let's see. There you go. The magnetic field strength, when we have steel as the core, 0.17 or 0.18 if we round it off. And the last one that we're going to use, the last core, is cardboard. Let's see if cardboard has got some effect on the induced magnetic field. Well, when we have cardboard as the core, the magnetic field is 0.28 if you round that to 2 decimal places. So those are the various cores that you could use to enhance your magnetic field strength.
The iron inside the solenoid induced a magnetic field of strength 0.470 millitesla. This was the strongest. The weakest was induced by the steel inside the solenoid, which induced a magnetic field of strength 0.178 millitesla. In conclusion, the induced magnetic field strength increases as the conductance of the material in the core increases. The core material which induced the strongest magnetic field was iron.